Today I'm going to make a pineapple sour cream lemon pie. Now, a lot of times you'll hear of lemon or you'll hear of a different kind, but seldom do you hear the pineapple, and it's really good. I have drained here 1 can of pineapple, and I've used the tidbits. Now you can use the crushed if you want to. It's just up to you. And we're going to have to use half a cup of that juice. I had to have some help to get that. That wasn't quite a cup. All right, 1 cup of the juice. And to that I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar. And this is probably about 1.5 tablespoonfuls of lemon zest. Now the lemon zest will help bring out that pineapple taste with it. I'm going to stir that up just a little bit. I've got that all mixed in good. And to that I'm going to add 1 cup of milk and 3.5 tablespoonfuls of cornstarch. I'm going to put that over a medium heat, and we're going to cook that until it just begins to thicken. Okay, you can see the heat coming up off of the pan. That means that your liquid is plenty hot and it's beginning to thicken just a tad bit. I'm going to take a couple of big, maybe 3 nice big tablespoonfuls, put it in my eggs. I have here 3 egg yolks. I'm going to mix that together, and then I'm just going to return that egg, all of the egg, put that in here, and it will thicken up really quick once that egg yolk gets in there. Now once you get your egg yolk in there, do not quit stirring or it will stick to the bottom. And you want to make sure that that's nice and thick. And you can see how thick that has gotten in just a short period of time. I'm going to take that off of the heat now. And to that I'm going to add 1/2 cup of the pineapple tidbits that we had. Stir them in real good. I have here 4 tablespoonfuls of butter that I have cut into little chunks, and I'm just going to put that in there and stir it around till it's all melted and my liquid there is real smooth. Okay, it looks like all of my butter has melted. I'm going to let it sit here on the counter for 15 minutes until it has slightly cooled. 15 minutes is up. So now we're going to add 1 cup of sour cream. And 1 8-ounce container of the creamy Cool Whip. And you know what we're going to do with this. We're going to blend it all in together and make it smooth. Okay, that looks pretty good. Here I have a Botten, well, plus my thumb in it. This is a Botten chocolate pie crust, and it's made out of chocolate snaps. So we're putting this in a chocolate. Oh, wait a minute. I almost forgot. Another 1/2 cup of the pineapple is just going to be scattered in the bottom of this a little bit. I kind of want it to be evened out a little bit. And now I'm going to put my filling in over it. Aim toward the middle and then just work your way out. Oh, that looks pretty. It looks really a creamy yellow. I don't know if you can see it on film or not, but it's really a pretty color. All right. Into the refrigerator it goes, 4 hours, and then we're going to try a piece of this. Okay, 4 hours has been up. We're going to cut this little jewel, give it a try.